Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really quick, budget-friendly front door makeover for you today. As you can see, this is the before. My front step was in serious need of some love. I hadn't done anything to it since winter. That's why it is looking so soggy and damp. Everything needed to go, but I wanted to do this on a budget because autumn is right around the corner and I know that I'm gonna wanna go all out for fall with pumpkins and mums. I always do a really big front porch makeover in the fall. So I wanted to spruce this up, but really inexpensively. So I'm gonna spend just about $25 and make this look so much better. The first thing I'm doing here, you can see, is getting rid of all of that junk. Guys, if you just saw, that was firewood I'm removing from my front step. So I got all of this stuff out of there. A bunch of it's gonna get donated or trashed. And what I'm gonna do is clean up. I have a pressure washer and I'm gonna pressure wash the front step. If you don't have one, you could really use your hose and get like a strong nozzle and just go to town. Soap, water, it does the job. There's just all this grime and gunk that I'm getting off. And I don't really have a professional technique or tip here. I just put it at its highest setting and then I stayed pretty close to the surface of what I was trying to clean. And so for this project, I only bought a few things. I'm gonna buy some plants and I'm gonna buy some planters and a front door mat. And all of the items came from either Walmart or Dollar Tree. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that those are two of my favorite budget-friendly places to get items for home decor, for crafts. You can really find anything you're looking for and they've got all different styles. The doormat that I picked out was just $12. I'm gonna link it below. And then the plants that I picked up were actually from the clearance section. I guess they're getting rid of their summer plants probably for the exact reason I just mentioned. Fall is coming. People are gonna be picking up those fall plants. So they had a bunch of summer flowers. I got 3 different plants. One was $5 and the other 2 were just $2 each, if you can believe it. And then I picked up some simple little pots from the Dollar Tree, $1 each. So it came in at about $25. But if you wanted to spend a little more, you could get even more plants. Like I said, I didn't want to go too crazy because I'm going to put a ton more energy and time into my front porch in probably just 6 or 8 weeks, guys. Is autumn really that close? So here I'm showing you the plants that I picked out. I do not know what this little purple flower is, but he was so cute, and again, just $2. I couldn't pass him up. And then I got a lavender tree and a hydrangea plant. Am I saying that right? I think so. The lavender tree obviously is super pretty and I love hydrangeas. They remind me of Florida. Again, if you guys watch my channel, you know I love Florida. I'm putting the lavender plant in this little bucket, this tin flowers and garden pail. If you shop at Dollar Tree, you've totally seen these before. You've probably bought one. They're super, super cute, and for just $1, you can't beat it. And then I got some just like plastic buckets. I wanted larger ones for the other plants, and I'm gonna just put them in. I'm not gonna take them out of their container because the container they came in had like the drainage holes underneath them. It works for me. If you wanted, you could spend $1 more at the Dollar Tree. They sell those little bags of soil and you could kind of put it on top and make it look not so obvious that it's in its original container, but again, it didn't bug me. And then I used that pressure cleaner and I gave my little welcome sign a good clean. He was grimy, he really needed some help. Again, you could use your hose for this. I didn't put any cleaner or anything on it and all the dust and dirt came right off, but you could use like a gentle spray cleaner on your outdoor accessories. And then I added my mat. I had this buffalo plaid mat already, and then I put this little, I think they're called Coir, C-O-I-R. This is a really trendy style. You guys have seen it on Instagram, I know. And like I said, the Walmart mat that I got, it was just $12. I think it was on sale. I don't think that's its original price, but I'm linking that below. I'll link below this buffalo plaid mat as well. I think that I originally got it on Amazon, so I'll find that for you guys. And then again, the other stuff I picked up in store at Walmart and Dollar Tree. You can find these things, just use your imagination. Whenever I go to the Walmart garden section, I go with a totally open mind. I typically don't know what I'm looking for because they always have great deals on random plants. You don't know what you're gonna find, but it is the #1 place to go for inexpensive greenery, and I always need inexpensive greenery because I do not have a green thumb. I kill any plant, so I need to go into it not spending too much money. And this is the finished product. I think it's super cheerful for summer, so much better than what it was before. I don't have to be embarrassed anymore when people come by my home. I love my little welcome sign now all cleaned up. I always keep him out whatever the time of year, and then pretty soon I'm going to be taking these guys away. Maybe I'll I'll put the plants in different areas of my home on the back deck. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are freshening up your porches for summer, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.